build Android game in Google AI Studio. So this is the Android game that I built. This is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, it is amazing cat runner. Okay, so let me come and then tap on the start game for you to see. So it is awesome game, simple to create game that I just built right inside Google AI Studio. Okay, so anyone can actually build this game from Google AI Studio. And as you can see, this is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see right inside Google AI Studio. And as you can see, it is the amazing cat runner. I can simply come in and tap on start game. And it is the exact game that I showed you right at the beginning of this video. Okay. And it was built right inside Google AI Studio, and anyone can actually build it. You can also come in and tap on the install or press on the install, and then you'll be able to build the APK right inside Google AI Studio and install it on your phone. And you can also get the APK right on your phone and then install it right on your phone. So let me show you how to do it. Simply go to Google and then come to Google search and type in Google AI Studio, hit enter. Come and select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. So when you come here, simply come here to where we have the build. Okay, and then under it you see that you have apps. Come and then click on it, and then over here to take you right to all the apps that you have built right inside Google Studio. Come here to the plus icon and then come and click on it to create new app. Come and click on the skip, and then from here, all that you have to do is simply come and then build your Android game. Over here, you have the option to come and then select build an Android app. Okay, just click on it so that it will be added to the prompt just like this. And then now you have the option to come and then write or paste your prompt right here. So let me show you how to get the prompt. Okay, so look inside the video description. I have a link there. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the prompt that you are going to use. And then from the options where we have prompt starts here, simply come here and then come and then highlight it from the start to the button. Okay, just like this to the end of the prompt. Put the mouse on it and then right click on it and then come and click on copy to copy the prompt. After that, simply open Notepad, okay, from your system and come and paste in the prompt just like this. And then over here where it says game name, simply come and then write your game name. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then after writing the name, what you have to do is simply come here to the game description, and then over here where it says paste your description here, come and then write your game description just like this. Okay, and after that, all that you have to do is to simply highlight all the prompt, put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come here to the copy and come and click on copy. After that, come back here and then come and paste the whole prompt inside it just like this. Now that we have our whole prompt to build our Android game, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the build and then come and click on the build. And that is it. Okay, over here, come and allow it, and then Google Studio is going to go ahead and then build your Android game for you. So when you come here to the design preview, all that you have to do is simply come and then select any of the designs by simply clicking the one that you prefer. So I'm going to go with the first one just like this, and after that, come and click on select this design, and that is all the work that you are going to do right inside Google AI Studio. Then Google AI Studio is simply going to build the app. So as you can see, that successfully build the Android game, and then it's going to give you a live preview, okay, that you can test it. So I'm going to tap on the start run, and as you can see, the game is working perfectly fine and it is awesome. Okay, so it comes with all the menus and everything. Okay, so over here you have the option to come and then control the phone with this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the app icon right here. You can tap on it and the game is working perfectly fine. We have successfully built our game right inside Google AI Studio. Okay, and it was simple. You can come and then click on the install button right here, and over here all that you have to do is simply connect your Android phone using a USB cable to your PC. Okay, and then after connecting it, simply come and then click on the install via USB. Okay, so it will pop up just like this, and you have to come and then select your phone name. Okay, and then from your phone, simply allow USB doubling by checking the box and then click on allow, and then over here simply come and then select your phone and then come and click on connect. Okay, so after that, it is going to actually build and then install the APK right on your Android phone just like this. Okay, and after after it has finished installing, you're going to see a success message just like this. And now you can simply come and then click on the close. Okay, so you can simply go back by simply clicking on back to start, and then come here to where we have the apps and come and click on it, and you see that you have successfully built our Android game right here. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go to the mobile phone, and then from your phone you are going to see the app icon just like this. Just tap on it, and then you see that your Android game is now being installed. Okay, you can simply come and then test it. Okay, so I'm simply going to come here. As you can see, we have all the top scores here. That was when I was just trying it. Okay, and then simply come and then tap on start run, and then the game is working perfectly fine, so you can test it to see how the game works. Okay, and it is working awesome, and it has been built assembly. So now let me show you how to share your APK. Simply go to Play Store, okay, and then from the search, come and tap on the search, and then simply come here to the top, and then come and search for Files by Google, and then come and select Files by Google. Over here, as you can see, I've already installed it. Okay, so install it if you haven't, and then simply come here and then come and tap on the open to open it after you have installed it. Just scroll down and then come here to where we have the apps and come and tap on it, and then it's going to show. So simply come here to the installed apps just like this. Okay, come and then you will see that we have the game here. Come and tap on the three dots, and then all these options will show up, and then simply come and then tap on the share. And over here, you can simply come and then download your APK. To do that, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on WhatsApp just like this. And then over here, you see that you have the option to share it to any of your chats. Select one and then come and tap on the send. And that is it. Your APK is going to be downloaded by simply coming and then come and tap on the send. And that is it. Okay, so as you can see, it is downloading the APK right on the phone. And after it has finished downloading, you can simply come and then tap on it, and then over here you have the option to come and then install it. Okay, so come and tap on the install option, and that is it. Since it's a new app, you might see something like this. Don't worry, scroll down and then come here to more details, tap on the down arrow, and then come and tap on install anyway, and that is it. After tapping on it, it's going to install the app just like this. You can tap on open, and now our game has been installed and it's working perfectly fine. You can come and tap on run game. That is it. You have your game working perfectly fine. Simple build, and it is awesome. Okay, so like the video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.